Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me at the market site in Times Square, we have Nikhil Gupta, CEO of ArmorCode, to discuss trends in cybersecurity and also the solutions that ArmorCode is providing. Nikhil, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me.
All right, and tell us about your background a bit.
I'm co-founder and CEO of ArmorCode, and call me crazy. I started this company in the middle of pandemic. And before that, I was a founder and CEO of a company called Avid Secure, which was acquired by Sophos. And 20 plus years ago, I started my career right here at Bell Labs in Murray Hill, New Jersey.
What was the motivation behind starting a cybersecurity company in the middle of a pandemic?
So, that's a very interesting question. As a serial entrepreneur, there's always an opportunity and a calamity. And when COVID hit, basically there was a digital transformation was going to be accelerated. And another thing which bad guys always look for is whenever there's a, calamity, they try to make the most out of it. So it was a good intersection on software development and intersection. So that's the area. I had looked at this problem for a while, and several people tried to solve it, and they solved it with the technology first approach, and we found a good people first approach.
Why software security, and why is ArmorCode best positioned to solve this problem?
So basically what's happening is the whole software development has transformed. So from having a once a year release, you have many times a year release, and there's a plethora of use of open source, if you will. So this is the time when all these trends are changing. And so why ArmorCode is because when we looked at all the other solutions which are out there, they were technology first approach solving for a solution. Now in ArmorCode, what we did is there's three aspects to it. There's a security team, there's a software development team, and then there's an operations team, and all three have oppositely aligned interest. So with ArmorCode, we took a people first approach. We built a community around it. We tried to solve the problem from a people first angle.
Tell me about the Purple Book community.
Yeah, so that was a very interesting finding. So once I realized that, okay, we need to solve this problem, I got together with a bunch of security leaders around there, and it started as a community with just 30 people. We are writing a book, which we are going to launch on this Friday. And then that quickly turned into a community. So we have hundreds of people in the Purple Book community, and now it has become a movement, because what's happening is we are having world's largest application security conference in May, and there are thousands of people who are going to be there.
And that's called AppSecCon.
Yes, AppSecCon.
Yeah, tell us about that.
So AppSecCon is a must-attend event for anybody who's interested in software security. It's on May 18th and May 19th. We have people like Phil Venables who are going to do the main event, and also CISO from Charles Schwab. And so we have 30 plus leaders who are coming there. We are talking about anything and everything about application security, software security, and supply chain security. And we have several diamond sponsors, likes of KPMG, Deloitte, and Grant Thornton, along with ArmorCode.
All right, Nikhil, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.